Today I'm excited to show you the 2246 EBM Medical Treatment Chair by SpaLux. This chair is one of our most advanced treatment chairs, offers 120 degrees in rotation. It operates using a rotational clutch mechanism. It is FDA listed. The articulating head. You can adjust the headrest as needed. It also has upgraded medical grade upholstery, the built-in foot remotes. It includes a hand remote. Also comes with a single button reset that brings the chair to a fully seated position. All 4 motors of this chair are adjusted here at the base. There's an extra button at the foot, the emergency stop switch. For added safety, if you're performing a service like injections, you hold this lock button, and then that way if you accidentally hit a switch, nothing's going to move on you. We have this product and dozens of others available at massagetools.com, so check us out.